Hi everyone. This video will show you how to install RANCHecker for Maya. Go to ranchcomputing.com, Resources menu, RANCHsync and RANCHecker. Select RANCHsync for your operating system and RANCHecker for Maya. The tools are also available in the 3D software menu, Maya. Click on Prepare My Project and download RANCHecker and RANCHsync. On your computer, install RANCHsync with the setup file to be able to upload directly from Maya. Then, click on the zip archive of RANCHecker and copy the PY file. Open document/Maya/plugins folder and paste ranchecker.py file. If the plugins folder does not exist, create it. In the Maya menu, go to Windows, Settings, Preferences, Plugins Manager. In the Search tab, write Ranch and tick Loaded. The new menu Ranch now appears in Maya UI. That's it! Maya and the RANCHecker are ready to prepare and upload your project. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you soon on ranchcomputing.com.